Hey, it's Mr. Peace. A lot of teachers have told me that a great way to keep the momentum going from one of my presentations is to talk about the assembly. And the best way to do this is right after I just presented, and so it's still fresh in everyone's mind, but to go back to the classroom and have everyone get a piece of paper and a pen out, a journal, and basically just start writing down some of the feelings they felt, some of the emotions that they had, and just whatever is coming out of their hearts. Especially if I didn't have time to talk with them after the talk or stay during lunch, and sometimes we talk during then. It's just an awesome way to still revisit some of the key concepts, the main themes, anything that's been on their hearts. We got Bear here, and the reason I have Bear in the video, Bare Bones Jones III, is because dogs, it's all about heart. It's all about unconditional love. It's about remembering their hearts and that they see you for your own heart. So have them share their heart, have them write it down. It's a great way to just think about what we talked about and really keep that spark alive going forward. Peace.